students, let's solve question number 11. Consider an economy where aggregate output in this is given and aggregate capital stock. Let P and W denote the aggregate price level and nominal wage rate respectively. The producers of the economy maximize the. So the economic demand of the labor and the wage rate is given by this 4. So which is the correct answer? So here to find the labor demand, the firm's profit function pi equal to P into Y minus W into L. Okay, so substituting the production function, we get pi p k to the power k bar to the power alpha, actually k bar to the power alpha L bar to the power 1 minus alpha into WL. First order derivative, so 1 minus alpha p into k to the power alpha L to the power minus alpha equal to W by P. Rearranging, we get L equal to 1 minus alpha into P into k to the power alpha L to the power minus alpha equal to W by P. Okay. So that is 1 minus alpha P by W k to the power alpha 1 by alpha. Okay, so comparing these to the given labor demand, so is 5 W by P to the power minus 1 by 1 minus alpha. Done. So we can identify that 5 equal to 1 minus alpha whole to the power 1 by alpha into k to the power alpha by 1 minus alpha. So therefore the correct option in this case is LD equal to k to the power 1 minus k bar to the power 1 minus alpha. Okay, so this is the thing. So the final value of LD will be k to the power 1 minus k into k bar 1 minus alpha to the power 1 by